Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome in this short video. This is a totally different video what I'm always posting on my channel, Anna's Passion channel, but today I really would ask you for a big help. I really need your big help. I couldn't tell any more sooner. I couldn't say what I was working on, but for the last few months I was trying to help one of my friends who was in Ukraine to come back to UK with his wife and his stepdaughter. The journey was absolutely, oh my god, I can't even explain what they've gone through and what difficulty we have had with organising all the documents, all the paperwork, all the help what we've asked for was rejected. We went through the government channel, not received much help. We had an MP support involved, and eventually we've got everything what we had to have in place. However, as you can imagine, everything is costly, and I've provided as much help as I could for them. I've paid over £400 tickets for them for the plane to come to UK. However, there are more costs involved in all this, which I'm not able to cover out my expenses. They not have much cash on day. As you can imagine, they barely managed for last few months when the war started, and I'm really coming to you to ask you all for the massive support. If you can donate any amount of money to support them financially, to help them come back to UK, to help them settle in with all the expenses, what they had experienced, what they still have to pay, I would greatly appreciate that. The link for the donation you will find in the description box below of this video, and also you can go onto the community tab. The link is also there with the family photo as well. And yes, I'm really counting on your support because I can't do it myself. So I would love to say a thank you from the bottom of my heart from myself and on behalf of John and John's family. It really means a lot. Any little help, it really is count, and if together we can make that all together closer. So I'm really counting on your help. So if you do wish to put anything towards and support this poor family what's gone through absolutely hell in last few months, then please, I'm begging you, please put whatever you can. It doesn't have to be a huge amount of money, but whatever you can, like I said, anything, it is count. So thank you so much once again. I've got another video for you which I will be posting soon, but firstly I just need to reach out to you all and ask for this massive support if you can. So that will be all for this short video, and I'm looking forward to catch you all in the next one. And if you do have any question, if you do wish to make any comments, feel free, but please avoid any hates and nasty comments. That is not something what I really want to have as an outcome. And I really want to avoid all the negativities. I really wanted to reach out to your heart, and I understand there is loads of happening and loads going on in social media these days, and so many scams going around, and I really was holding with this video for so long, and I really questioned myself, should I go with this, should I post this video? But then I decided yes, I do have to, because I really need your help. I can't do it everything myself. So once again, if you wish to donate anything, any amount, then find the link in the description box below, and I'd greatly appreciate everything. And thank you from myself and John and John's family on behalf. So I'm gonna dash out now, and I've got a few things to still organize for them. So I just need to crack on with this, because any moments, any minute is really precious for them. So yes, looking forward to help them further whatever I can. So that is it, and till the next time, my beautiful friends, kisses to you all, and once again thank you so much in advance. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.